We're talking about something that blows the tax advantages of the 401k and the Roth IRA out of the water. Now this is your HSA. Now this 4-part video series that I'll be putting out over the next few weeks here. The first video will be laying the groundwork, getting to know the benefits, and the next 3 videos are going to be all about the 3 primary strategies for letting this account work for you. All right, so let's go over a little background with the HSA. So super high level, this has a triple tax benefit, meaning more than a 401k or Roth IRA. Number 1, you receive a tax deduction for the money you put in. Number 2, all that money grows tax-free when invested. Now it's important to note, you actually have to make the investments. It doesn't happen automatically. And number 3 is that the money can come out at a future time for qualified healthcare expenses, tax-free. That's the triple threat. Another important note is that you have to be on a high deductible health plan to actually make contributions to this type of account. If you don't know what type of plan you're on, that's a great place to start, so you'll need to figure that out. But stay tuned for our series here on the top 3 strategies for your HSA.